flashlight beam sweeps Mater's charred engine bay, revealing extreme fire damage and hidden destruction. A heavy-duty tow truck's winch cable unspools towards Mater, signaling the beginning of extraction.
Mater is winched onto a flatbed, transitioning from forest decay to a pristine workshop for restoration. A mechanic meticulously removes Mater's severely corroded brake calipers and rotors, assessing the damage. A heavy-duty hoist lifts Mater's damaged engine block, revealing the empty, charred engine bay. A mechanic meticulously unbolts Mater's transmission from the engine block, separating the massive components. A crane shot orbits Mater's bare chassis, revealing its rusted, stripped frame in the clinical workshop. A mechanic methodically unbolts Mater's burnt body panel, revealing hidden corrosion beneath. A mechanic pries out Mater's shattered windshield, revealing extensive rust damage beneath. A dynamic montage reveals insidious corrosion in Mater's frame, a grim discovery of the challenge ahead.
A crane shot reveals Mater's disassembled components, meticulously organized on the clean workshop floor.
A mechanic uncovers a small, rusted tin box beneath Mater's seat. An unexpected mystery revealed.
Mater's corroded engine block is lowered into a steaming hot tank, beginning its deep cleansing.
A precision honing machine meticulously creates a crosshatch pattern inside Mater's cylinder bore, renewing its surface.
Mater's massive crankshaft spins on a lathe, meticulously polished to a brilliant mirror finish. A mechanic meticulously scrapes Mater's carbon-coated piston clean, revealing bright metal beneath the grime. A precision milling machine expertly shaves Mater's cylinder head, creating a perfectly flat, reflective surface. A mechanic meticulously installs new main bearings into Mater's engine block, ensuring perfect alignment. A mechanic meticulously masks Mater's engine component, preparing it for painting with sharp, crisp lines.
A spray gun expertly applies vibrant engine enamel, transforming dull metal into a stunning, uniform color.
Mater's engine components glow under heat lamps, curing to a glossy finish, anticipating final transformation.
Mater's rusty chassis enters a sandblasting booth, an operator preparing for aggressive cleaning and a fresh start.
A sandblasting nozzle aggressively strips rust from Mater's chassis, transforming flaky orange to gleaming silver.
An angle grinder dramatically removes cancerous rust from Mater's chassis, showering bright orange sparks.
A welding torch precisely joins a new metal patch onto Mater's chassis, forming a strong, seamless bond.
A mechanic uses an angle grinder to meticulously smooth a newly welded patch on Mater's chassis.
Mater's gleaming chassis is meticulously prepped with masking tape for epoxy primer, anticipating new paint.
A spray gun applies the first protective coat of epoxy primer to Mater's chassis, transforming bare metal. Mater's chassis receives multiple finish coats, building a durable, glossy surface with rich automotive red.
A skilled metalworker meticulously straightles Mater's body panel with an English wheel, restoring its original curves. Mater's re-chromed bumper emerges from the plating tank, gleaming with a fresh, mirror-like finish. A mechanic uses a buffing wheel to bring a mirror finish to Mater's aluminum trim pieces. A mechanic meticulously polishes Mater's stainless steel trim to perfection, revealing its renewed luster.
A mechanic meticulously disassembles Mater's transmission, revealing its intricate internal components.
A mechanic meticulously installs new bushings, ball joints, and shock absorbers into Mater's suspension system. A mechanic meticulously compresses piston rings, carefully inserting a piston into Mater's cylinder bore. A mechanic meticulously places a new head gasket onto Mater's engine block, ensuring perfect alignment for a critical seal. A mechanic meticulously installs Mater's timing chain, aligning cam and crank marks for perfect engine synchronization. A mechanic meticulously assembles Mater's intake manifold, bolting it down with new gaskets for an airtight seal. A mechanic meticulously connects Mater's organized wiring harness to engine components, ensuring proper electrical function. A mechanic meticulously connects Mater's battery cables and ground straps, verifying all electrical connectors. A mechanic meticulously fills Mater's engine with fresh oil, then transmission, differential, and brake fluid.
A mechanic meticulously aligns Mater's freshly painted body panels, achieving perfect gaps and a seamless finish.
A mechanic proudly admires Tow Mater's gleaming, fully assembled form, a triumph of craftsmanship.
A slow orbit reveals Tow Mater's perfect front three-quarter view, gleaming vibrant red under dramatic golden light. A slow tracking shot pulls back from Mater's rear three-quarter view, showcasing its complete, stunning transformation.
Mater's door opens, revealing its pristine, luxurious interior, inviting viewers to witness the transformation.
Mater's hood opens, showcasing a spotless, perfectly restored engine bay, a testament to stunning engineering.
A mechanic pumps Mater's throttle, priming the fuel pump, preparing for imminent ignition and success.
Mater's engine fires with a burp, then settles into a smooth, rhythmic idle, a triumphant rebirth. Mater's valve covers vibrate gently, the exhaust pulses rhythmically, creating a mechanical symphony of smooth operation. Mater rolls out of the garage into golden hour sunlight, a symbol of exhilarating freedom and ultimate triumph. A slow orbit reveals Tow Mater's perfect front three-quarter view, gleaming vibrant red under dramatic golden light.